How to apply for auto loan on Capital One. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to teach you guys on how can you exactly apply for the auto loan on Capital One. First of all, search for auto loan Capital One in the search bar of your Google Chrome web browser, and from the various links, you're supposed to go to the official website of Capital One that is indicating the auto financing option. From here, first of all, you have to pre-qualify with no credit impact, browse offers and savings. So click on the see if I pre-qualify option over here. Then you will be directed to this kind of page. Choose the offer, submit the credit. So I'm going to click on this I am new to Capital One. And you have to choose the offer, submit the credit app, impacting the credit score. Now sign the contract, confirm lender info, and pay off the lender, update documents, such as your first name, your last name, your email address, and the correct form of your phone number and the password. And agree to all the terms and conditions and click on agree and create account. And after you do this, simply verify your information. The requirement to apply for the auto loan on the Capital One is you have to be at least 18 years old with US address, good standing on loans, no recent credit changes, or multiple accounts. Minimum income should be $1,500. Identify verification is also required. So this was all about how to apply for the auto loan on the Capital One. If you found this guide to be informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support.